What is going on, guys? Kevin Cage here with another XRP update, and this video is an absolute must-see. We have the XRP price chart up on the right-hand side and the Bitcoin price chart up on the left. And also, if I sound a little congested, battling a cold, so bear with me. Notice, we are using a macro trend dating back to even 2013. There were not that many altcoins that existed in the market at this time, so it's crazy to see that these fractals are still playing out. As you can see, we are using the 236 Fibonacci retracement as the swing high for the December 2013 high price. We did the same thing over here for XRP, both on the weekly time frame. Now, cryptocurrency is notorious for, with these Fibonacci retracements, reaching a full 4 extension, whether that be a 4.236 or a 4.618. Let's zoom in and see how they obey these Fibonacci levels like magnets. Unbelievable. Wicking to perfection. Nonetheless, this is a way to really map zones of confluence for you to potentially optimize the best take profit ever. If you use these Fibonacci's, you would have sold the exact top of Bitcoin during the last bull run when Bitcoin was nearing $20,000 and then re-entered a bear market that lasted several years before then going on to create another all-time high price. So after topping out at these 4.236, 4.618 extensions, Bitcoin rolled over on itself and then went to backtest these 702 or these higher Fibonacci retracements, really a double bottom, and then going on to create another all-time high price, blasting through the previous 4.236 or the previous Bitcoin all-time high price. So how did XRP measure up? Well, as you can see, it exceeded expectations and went above and beyond that level. But I do want to show you that there was still an area or zones of confluence, so that 4.236 was still valid to use for a good take profit. Notice we have candle bodies closing right there several times. 1, 2, 3. So either way, even if you use that zone to map out a take profit during the last bullish cycle, you were still able to buy back after the markets crashed a good 80 to 90% from there. So either way, using the 4.236 to me is a great way to really time the macro trend of markets without being a trader and just being an investor. So what am I showing you? Well, I did actually post this on Twitter if you guys are curious, and yes, I believe XRP is basically right here, right at that previous 4.236. What are the odds, as I'm making this video, whether XRP is $1.05, $1.04, let's see, $1.48, we can see we are sitting right on that 4.236, just like Bitcoin was before it exploded yet again, right on that 4.236. Where are we today? Let's zoom in. Look at that. Right on the 4.236. Basic Fibonacci retracement with Bitcoin from the previous all-time high, swing low, made it to the 3618, up here all the way to these golden extensions. How did Ether measure up for Ethereum? We can see swing high, swing low, and did we make it? Let me fix this a little bit to make sure it's like wick to wick. And what did we do? Well, right there, pretty damn close to the 3618. I mean, essentially right on the money. How did the total market cap of all cryptocurrency measure up with the Fibonacci retracement? Swing high, swing low, up to the 4.236, and where are we sitting today? Right on the 3618. What about the total market cap excluding Bitcoin? So really just altcoins. And as we can see, right at the 3618. Even without the Fibonacci retracement, you can use a trend-based Fib extension, and I'd say the trend begins somewhere around here. I guess we could do candle bodies too. But nonetheless, dragging it over, and did we make it to the 3618? Yeah, pretty much. I mean, look at that. Right there. That's the 3618. Okay, well, how is XRP measuring up? Because we saw Bitcoin, Ether, and a variety of assets really at the 3618, and some at the very least have created a new all-time high price. So wick to wick, where are we today? As you can see, the 4.236 is like $13 per this exchange of Bitstamp. The 3618 is about $11. So meanwhile, Bitcoin is all the way up here, and I expect that XRP and a variety of other alts should make it at least to the 2618 Fibonacci extension. And I believe that this bullish cycle, if we do not get a blow off top soon, a blow off top moment meaning everything just goes parabolic, Bitcoin dominance falls and alt season really begins, or alt season 2.0, if it doesn't happen soon, I mean in a matter of weeks, then I believe that the bullish cycle will last well into 2022, maybe, April all the way to September. Time will tell. I'm interested in buying assets like XRP and all these other alts that are down here, battling these retracements before they create a new all-time high price and then reach these higher levels. Also great to see Gala absolutely exploding. I know it's down 16% today, but obviously it's just on a multiple 100% return. This year it was fractions of a penny and went as high as almost 40 cents. That is unbelievable types of returns. But of course, this does happen in the market, specifically when you find a good gem like Gala. So rank 69 now. And crazy to see this. And yes, I do believe that a lot of alts, provided they're legitimate, not just crazy meme coins, even though some meme coins are pumping harder than utility-based assets because today's market is still highly speculative, I believe that most alts are still battling these levels and we're waiting for them to get that blow off top. This is what I'd be looking for more and more assets to do. I know I shared about like 6 different assets that already went above their 4.236 Fibonacci extension, so I don't think it's too crazy to think that a lot of alts can at least get to the 2618. And as I said right here, I believe dozens of alts are here, meaning right around that level before getting that inevitable pop. So I'm holding my laggards, the ones that are not doing anything yet, and I'm holding them, and when they do finally pop, I will roll those profits into the ones that have yet to go, and just compound those returns, round and round we go. Also did a 35-minute market breakdown last night for all members. This video is live within the Discord. This video in particular will be one of the most helpful crypto videos that you will ever see, and you will carry these skills with you for the rest of your life. Also, we see more MSM news discussing cryptocurrency taxes. Friendly reminder that iTrustCapital is the #1 crypto IRA provider in America, 401ks included. So you can invest into crypto with an individual retirement account. Used to be $30 a month, now it's 100% free. Notice there's no setup fees, there's no monthly fees. And I have a Roth IRA with this platform, so that just means 0% capital gains for me. All of my taxes are tax-free entirely. If you decide to create an account, you actually get $100 in free Bitcoin as well. So this is linked in every single YouTube video I do. You can go scroll down right here, get $100 in free Bitcoin, and access this with iTrustCapital. This is the world's largest crypto IRA platform with over $3.5 billion in transactions already. So I love using these platforms as an additional weapon in my arsenal, where I can also grow a portion of my crypto portfolio 100% tax-free. I also want you to keep an eye on this omfif.org organization and the DMI Symposium. Remember, some of the members include Ripple Investor, Accenture, Algorand. We have Novi, HSBC, or Finality, SDX. We have DBS, which is now on the governing council for Hedera of HBAR. We have Ripple, shocker. We have PayPal, MasterCard, which is another Ripple partner, BBVA, Ripple partner. DBS also has XRP listed in Singapore at their bank. The DTCC, not by coincidence, AWS, Visa, Swift, etc. So, want you to keep an eye on this group. And who is OMFIF? They're an independent think tank for central banking, economic policy, and public investment. Now, why am I talking about them? Well, as you can see, at the heart of this network, they have investable assets of $39.5 trillion, almost $40 trillion. OMFIF is an acronym for the Official Monetary and Financial Institutions Forum. So we have Ripple and Algorand involved. Also saw this and I had to share this. So this gentleman, Nick Allen, back in 2011, Bitcoin is down to $2.70 a pop. So glad I didn't buy in on that mess. These are the types of regrets I will not live with. I'm swinging the bat. Also, we can see shared by payments.com, only 10% of banks support cryptocurrency, and it's actually usually Bitcoin for cross-border details. I saw Matt Hamilton, one of the smartest people in this entire space, even say, frankly, Bitcoin is the true banker's coin, just like Arturo Portilla saying that right here, because more banks hold Bitcoin than they hold XRP today. And of course, that's due to regulatory clarity, but just wanted to point that out. Remember DBS, this is that huge Singapore bank that is now on the Hedera Governing Council, and their digital exchange in Singapore. And Singapore is one of the countries that already has clarity for XRP, so I'm not worried one bit regarding that. And all the building in Southeast Asia is huge for XRP, for ODL. You can see DBS Digital Exchange offers trading services between Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Ether, XRP, and then a variety of fiat currencies. And I'm assuming HBAR will probably be listed here as well. Update, I like it, the Fear and Greed Index, 33, more and more people are in fear regarding the market and their expectations. Also shared by Leonidas, this is a must follow and subscribe on YouTube, one of the best researchers in this entire XRP community, and he has this that he actually whipped out, unofficial RippleNet and ODL Asia and Middle East map, and as we can see, where RippleNet is today, a variety of countries with the actual companies named below, the Al Ansari Exchange, which is a giant foreign exchange. We have, Rock Bank, and just all of these corridors on the other side of the world. And while everybody panics about XRP usage and it inevitably going up in value, we also know that 90% plus of all Ripple customers exist out of the United States, and all of the volume, or 90% of that volume, exists outside of the US. And we have some of the world's biggest banks. I'm talking some of the banks that are in the top 10 backing XRP and partnered with Ripple. So I don't take that lightly, of course, when you're looking at behemoths like MUFG, based out of Japan. And who has their hand in the cookie jar of SBI? Well, Vanguard, one of the largest companies in the world. You can also tie it to BlackRock and the Rothschilds. Last but not least, we have Tony. Absolutely love this page, so check this out. XLM has added support against the Ethereum pair. So this is the XLM and Ethereum price chart on the 3-day time frame. The last time it was here, added support, XLM exploded 1,448%. So this is very important for a lot of people to observe, is you have to look not just at the US dollar chart, but at the Bitcoin and Ethereum price chart during these alt seasons. It can give you much additional insight. The longer the base, the higher in space. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and until next time.